Alright kids, this is the AP Statistics exam. You have 3 hours to complete it. No cell phones, do not eat the test, or play with paper notes.
Gosh, this stat is so easy.
What is this stat stuff? Chi-square test of homogeneity? 2-sample t-test? How do I find out if it's independent? This stat stuff is so confusing. Whoa, where am I?
It's a good thing I saved you from that AP Stat exam. You were foolish to have tried to conquer that without proper statistical knowledge.
Please, Professor Sorbonne, I took Algebra 2 with trig. I think I know what I'm doing.
If you truly wish to master statistics, you have a long and challenging journey ahead of you. However, you're going to need a few things for your quest.
Wow, a Statamon of my very own. Go, Pikachu!
P-hat.
Wow, a Statamon of my very own. I'm ready to take on the AP now, Mr. Sorbonne.
Slow down there, Ash. I've got something else to help you.
Now can I take on the AP?
Not even close. But if you believe in yourself, you use your weasel words, you too can master statistics.
Hold on, Professor Loser. I want to learn statistics too.
Well, if you truly wish to master...
Don't waste my time, old man. Give me my Statamon.
Go ahead and grab one of these Statamons.
I'll choose it randomly. Ooh, shiny.
Well then, other than your complete mastery of randomness, I've got something else for you.
Please, Sorbonne. I don't need a stupid packet. I already know everything there is about statistics. Come on, Ash. Let's battle.
You're on. Let's battle. Go, Pikachu.
P-hat.
Shiny, go.
Biosaur. That's a Biosaur, a population-type Statamon. It's very susceptible to randomization.
Pikachu used, statistics?
Bison. Skew the distribution.
Biosaur.
Pikachu, try and find the mole.
Bison. Finish him off with a Type 2 error.
Biosaur.
P-hat. Explain it later.
Wow, I have a lot to learn before trying to tackle the AP. Come on, Pikachu, let's go.
P-hat.
Why, hello there, young man. What brings you to the forest of experimental design?
I'm on a journey to capture the knowledge of statistics.
Statistics can be pretty scary. You'll need help from me if you wish to master them. Come on, let's battle. Go, Stratata!
Stratata. I choose you, Pikachu.
P-hat.
You statistics, I'll skew that. Just tackle them.
Stratata.
Whoa.
You sure are good for a beginner.
Yeah.
Now you can use your Statidex to learn more about the stratification abilities of Stratata.
Wow, a Stratata. A Stratata is a population type Statamon. It breaks the population into different groups. Thanks. Come on, Pikachu. Let's be on our way now.
P-hat, now hold on there a second. I still have a thing or two to teach you about experimental design before you enter the forest of experimental design. First, you're going to start with a population and then randomly select your sample from that population. Flip a coin and assign treatment and control groups. Got all that?
I don't know. I'm still a little confused.
Here, this book should clear things up.
Oh!
P-hat.
You're right, Pikachu. This is a statistics book.
I guess you'll be on your way then.
Thank you so much. Look at Pikachu. We've learned about confounding variables, working variables.
Oh wait, one more thing. Just remember, control, replication, randomization.
Will do. Thank you so much. Come on.
Hey you, kid, I'm Brock, and I'm taking this survey right here, and I'm interviewing every 5th person that walks into this joint. Guess what? You're the 5th person, so care to take my survey?
You wouldn't be happy to make experimental design, would you?
Oh, why yes I am.
Well, then I have some bad news.
What do you mean? All I'm doing is finding out the average height of a Pikachu. My survey's flawless.
Yeah. Well, first things first, using a systematic sample, which isn't truly random, which could result in bias in your conclusion. And then also, you should be blocking for gender, because male Pikachus are notoriously larger than female Pikachus.
Wow, I thought my survey was flawless. You must be really good at this stat stuff. Hey, you know what? I got a friend over in Distribution City. There's a real problem. Two gangs fighting out with one another. I think you'd be perfect for the job.
I don't know. I mean, I could help. Pikachu, we made it! Yeah! This must be Distribution City! What's going on here?
I'll skew your distribution. When I'm done with you, your face is gonna look like an outlier. You know what? The probability that you'll beat us is fairly low. Yeah, move your direct to your null. Let's go! Leave now, you rapscallions! Stay right here. And don't make me call Officer Jenny! Do you hear me?
Now look, friends, I am sick and tired of all of the fighting over this scroll.
What's going on here?
Hey, are you Ash? My friend Brock told me you were coming. You'd probably help with us.
What's the problem here?
Well, you see, this all started back when we got the Great Scroll of the Elders. And you see, there's been this problem ever since.
Well, what's the problem?
I've seen the scroll. I've read the question. It's geometric. There's an inconclusive amount of trials.
Start off. The binomial model is a number of successes for a certain amount of trials. For instance, the amount of times you can catch 4 Statamon in 6 attempts.
You're a liar.
Binomial!
No geometric.
I'll see what I can do.
This is the scroll that has caused all of these years of bitter contentions in our city.
I'll try and help you.
Yeah?
Oh, right here. Guys, it says the distribution is normal.
All of these years of fighting, you didn't read the question.
I guess we never bothered to read it.
We were fighting for so long over that.
Why?
Always remember, kids, when you take the AP, always read the question, because it might just say the distribution is normal.
Wow, you're really good at that stat stuff. I hear they're building a trophy in your honor.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What is this poster?
Oh no, not again.
Join Team Robbie. We're better than you. We win significantly more battles. Conditions, who cares? What's this formula? A p-value. They reject the null hypothesis and favor the alternative at a 0.3 significance level because they're awesome. But what does this mean?
You know, I don't know much about this hypothesis test stuff, but you could scan my Z-star, you.
Z-star, 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 Z-star.
Wow, yeah. Wow, a Z-star, you. Scanning. Whoa, a Z-star, you. It's hypothesis test, and there's several types of them. There's 1 proportion Z-test, 2 proportion, something called a T-test. Wow, even a chi-squared. Sure, a lot of these, and they all have their own special conditions. They have a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. And if you use the formulas that go with each one of them, you could prove, and the p-value is low enough, you could reject the null hypothesis with at certain significant levels. Wow, there's sure a lot to this stuff.
P-hat.
Z-star, 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 Z-star.
Hey you, down there! What? Are you responsible for these statistics?
Maybe. So what if I am? You'll never catch me.
Let's catch him, Pikachu!
Go get him, Ash!
Hey, you rejected too high of a p-value back there.
So what if we did? We'll still kick you to the curb. Come on, nerd. Let's battle. Meowth, go!
It won't be that easy. I choose you, Pikachu!
P-hat.
Let's see you do a
t-test with only 8 values and skew conditions.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, conditions matter. Since you have only 8 values, you need to show a histogram. Right, Pikachu? Yeah. And your histogram may be skewed, meaning that you need to take caution in your conclusion.
What? I don't know what to do. You out. Do something.
Hold on. I took a two proportion z-test and rejected the null hypothesis with a p-value of 0.4.
Hey, you can't do that. Rejecting with a p-value that high can lead to a type 1 error.
Looks like we're blasting off again. Ding!
Oh, they left something behind Pikachu. Oh, I've only heard of one of these in a legend my mom once told me when I was a child.
P-hat?
This is a T confidence ball. This uses the T confidence interval formula to capture mu, the rarest Statamon.
P-hat?
Remember, the larger we make our confidence, the larger our confidence interval will be, meaning that we have a larger margin of error. This is powerful. We have to save this for that rare time we might run into mu.
P-hat.
Come on, P-hat.
Why is everyone skipping?
Oh my god, it's a wild mu!
Oh, hey, kind of caught me off guard. Yeah, I'm Mew. What are you kids doing?
We gotta capture the Statamon. We can use the confidence ball Team Robbie gave us.
Confidence ball? Oh, so you're gonna try and capture me? You still don't know my population standard deviation.
Good thing we have our T interval formula, which is x bar plus or minus T star times the standard deviation, which is P over square root of n. So we can use our T interval ball to capture you.
I don't know. It's still not gonna be 100%. You sure you want to go and do that?
Yes, we're gonna use a 95% confidence and decrease our sample size to increase our confidence intervals. Capture him.
No.
Yeah! I'm 95% confident that my confidence intervals captured you! Yeah! Yeah! Wow, Pikachu, I'm 95% confident I captured Mew.
P-hat.
Wow, we're almost done with this book. I think we're ready to take on the AP.
P-hat.
Hey, Ash, you think you're ready to take on the AP? How about you take on me? Let's battle!
You're on!
P-hat.
Come on, Pikachu, let's teach her a lesson.
P-hat.
Hold back, Pikachu. Let's use our new Statamon. Go, Mew!
P-hat.
Where'd Mew go? We didn't capture him.
5% loser.
It doesn't matter, Gary. We can still beat you without Mew.
P-hat.
Hey, Ash, I saw your mom sleeping in room 12.
She's a lovely lady.
P-hat.
Mysore, go!
Mysore.
I choose you, Pikachu.
P-hat.
Mysore, interpret a 0.03 p-value at a 0.05 significance level.
At a 0.05 significance level, I would reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis because of the relatively low p-value.
P-hat.
We need to use a match hypothesis.
I would use a matchback hypothesis. For example, a weight loss pill for a Biosaur.
P-hat.
How do you find the association between the amount of hours trained and the AP score?
What? That's not a hypothesis. I think I skipped that chapter in the book.
Well, unlike you, Ash, I actually read the entire book. Since we're looking for an association, this would be a chi-squared test of independence. Suck it, Gary.
Biosaur? P-hat. Biosaur.
You saved it, Pikachu.
P-hat.
We did it, Pikachu. We beat it, Gary. Yeah. Let's go. I'm ready to take on the AP.
5 minutes left in the exam.
What? I've been asleep the whole exam? That was just a dream? State the equation of the regression line and interpret the slope and context of the question? I learned how to do that in my dream. Chi-squared test? I remember that too. Pikachu taught me that.
What? What'd he say? Jeez.
This stuff isn't that hard. Gotta hurry. Attack of the AP.
See, you're using a systematic sample.
I'm 95% confident that my confidence interval captured you.
30 seconds left in the exam. Alright guys, pencils down. Nice job. Thanks for your cooperation. You're free to leave.
Smell you later.
Oh, that was really hard. And that dream, it was so vivid. Pikachu, Gary, Team Robbie? But what's going on?
Donnie Bracker. What? Jesus Christ? The Pikachu? Gary Smells? What's a ditto? The kid just drew pictures of Pokemon. Oh.
My AP Stat exam score should be here today.
Special delivery. I've got your AP score.
I got a 2!
One.
The very best no one ever was. Catch them is my real test. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide.
You're a liar.
Pokemon to understand.
I don't know why. Oh wait, one more thing. Just remember,